So AI was about to make me do something way more complicated than it needed to be done. This app is connected to Go High Level, and that's how you pay for the different packages, right? And so the last thing I added was the ability to download 30 days of content in a zip file and everything. But it wasn't creating the zip file, the zip folder with all of the 30 days of content in it. So I asked it to check into it, see what the problem is. And it's telling me that I need to do a webhook that talks about the payload. I got to do all these fields, and trust me, this is a headache because if you get, it's just like syntax and code. If you get any of these things wrong and doesn't line up, then you got a problem. It's not going to communicate. Oh my God, is that? Will I get canceled for that today? I'm like, I'm not trying to do all of that. Why can't the payment for that specific thing send them somewhere specific in order to get the zip package? Seems like it should be doable. It's a lot easier. And then it goes, you're absolutely right. That's a much simpler approach. Instead of messing with GHL webhooks and credits, you just set the GHL payment link to a specific, it didn't say specific, but to a thank you redirect URL to a special page on the app that automatically generates and delivers the vault. So what's my point? The point is, did I just show the, don't worry, we're going to change that URL. The point is, as I've said before, you got to be mindful, not allow yourself to become relaxed and stop thinking just because of how good of a tool AI is. AI is, because it's easy to allow it to take you in left field and make things worse than it would be if you had just used your own logic and common sense and thinking ability. So do not allow yourself to stop thinking and using your own brain. It's you plus AI that is the winning combination, not just letting AI do everything. The winning formula is always being observant and trying to figure out what is the best way to integrate AI, for what part of the process, to do how much, how far should it go, and at what point should a human be in the loop to manage, to oversee, to check behind, to authorize, to press the button and say go, or to release the final product. So that's it. Have you guys ever found yourself in this situation